Hi, everyone. I want to introduce our microscope, 3D print microscope in our lab in Wisconsin Medicine, microsurgery regeneration medicine lab. So here there's three parts. One is the little part, and then two heads. So this is the frame. We have two. The stem is assembled like this way. Yeah. Okay. That's it. And on the top, there's a rubber band. This one now we're using it to holding the head. Okay. So now let's walk through the optic part of the microscope. So this is the lens. Remove the lens, the cover, and here's the optic lens inside. Remove the cover, and inside we put a sponge inside to protect the lens inside. So take it out carefully before we put it on the frame. Very careful, and you can see there's a piece of lens on the inside. So this lens is really crucial for the microscope. Now as we remove the sponge, we can put it here. Okay. Yeah, and then Maya, you can, yeah. So usually two person will be easier. And then we use the rubber band to hold this screw together. Now we can remove the lens. Now here's a power cable for the light source. Plug in here. Connect to the. So we can there's a switch, turn it on, and then we can turn the light source to the maximum power of this side. Yeah, go to the maximum power of the light source. Microscope lens. First, we need to make sure the every lens goes to the original position. Yeah, come here and see. I turn it back to the original position, and then we can bend the binocular to make sure it matches our eyes in the pupil distance. Once it matches our eyes in the pupil distance, we can turn this knob to adjust the focus until you can see. You can put your hand here, and then until you can see your hand in good focus. If both of your eye is the same, have the same eyesight, it should be good. If not, if your one eye is better than your other eye, we should focus on our left eye first. Make sure our left eye can see clear. And then after we can use our left eye see clear, we can turn the right eye, this piece, to adjust the diopter of the lens in our right side. So we can make sure two eyes can see the same focus level. So there's three things. One is the interpupil distance, and then the focus, and the eyepiece. Make sure it go back to the original position, and then focus our left eye first, and then use this part, change the diopter to make our right eye can see clear.